Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. So I figured I'd tell you guys on a little POV type of drive, and it's probably not going to be a lot of talking, but I will say that if you did watch my last video, if you haven't, go check that out. It's up there in the top corner. But I was having some clutch issues that I was talking about, and I was saying that I was going to kind of adjust the clutch and everything. I did adjust the cable from the firewall. It didn't really seem to do anything because I still do hear that noise. Now, I did text my mechanic type of guy, and he did say that he couldn't really hear it in the video, which I understand. I mean, he's in a shop and he has music on and everything, but he said he didn't really hear the noise that was coming through on video. It is very faint, so I can't really expect him to really be able to pick it up, especially over video. I mean, he's not going to be able to diagnose exactly what's wrong with the car, but he was saying it could possibly be a throwout bearing. Obviously, that's what everybody's told me. Even with it being mashed in, he said it's very possible it could still be that. So if I still have tons of issues, which after I've adjusted the cable, it hasn't really made that much noise, but it still does make a little bit of noise. Might end up doing a new throwout bearing in there. I already replaced it with the Ford Performance throwout bearing. That's what I did the first time, and then I guess I'm gonna have to do it again. I don't know. The only thing that sucks is it does look like it is slightly starting to rain a little bit. But I was supposed to have a video out, I guess, Saturday, but I didn't because I was going to go to a car show and it ended up getting rained out. So therefore I didn't have a video to make. I don't know if I really trust behind this truck with all this stuff that's hanging out of the bed. But I guess we'll find out. Yep, what'd I tell you? Already a cup fell out. I will say that if you are one of the like 90% of people that aren't subscribed, please subscribe. It'll help me out a lot, especially because I did just start getting monetized. So I will be putting every single penny that I make pretty much back into the channel, whether that's either doing stuff to this car, buying a new car, whatever it may be. But I mean, I want to grow this channel. I mean, I enjoy it. I just don't necessarily have enough content all the time, and I don't have enough time to make content sometimes. I've been looking for a mid-pipe, and I'm not really wanting to spend $1,000 on mid-pipe. There was this company that had some for pretty cheap, but they are all out of stock, so I don't really know what to do. Because, I mean, I want this thing to be louder, but I don't know if I want it to be $1,000 louder, because mid-pipes are just stupid nowadays. I mean, I remember whenever I first got this car, I could have bought one for like $400, and I guess that's what I should have done. But I guess I was slacking back then, just like I should have bought a house back in like 2004 whenever I was born, instead of being a baby. This road is so rough right here though. Also, let me know down in the comments what type of videos you guys would like to see, because I mean, I do want to venture out a little bit. I know it's kind of car meet season. I don't always have the time to go to car meets because I'm usually working or doing something else, but I mean, I'll try to go out to a few. Like I said, I was trying to go in last Saturday, but it ended up getting rained out, which does suck, but you win some, you lose some, I guess. I did have a buddy that invited me to go out to a Mustang meet, not last Saturday, but the Saturday before, but I told him with all the clutch issues, I just didn't want to really drive that far, because I think the meet was like an hour away or something. But I could always go to stuff like that. I mean, there's tons of events that go around North Carolina that I could go to. Just let me know what you guys want to see, and I guess I'll try to provide the best I can for you. will say these shocks and struts are pretty much broke in by now. I feel like they are better than the stock ones, but I also feel like they're not as good as I expected. I mean, I know they're Koni oranges, so they're not supposed to be like crazy high performance. I think they're just supposed to be a little bit over the stock feel. But, I mean, they're alright. Would I buy them again? I don't know. I mean, for the price, I guess they're not terrible if you really had blown out shocks or struts. But, I mean, I wanted to go more pricey, but also didn't, because, I mean, that's more money. This person don't look like they can drive. Going really slow, another lane. I'm like, why? 35 on this road? Like, what? Hello? Alright, so I guess that's pretty much all I'm going to have for you guys today. If you did make it this far, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. It helps me out a ton. But I will say that I did just go ahead and order a new Ford Performance throwout bearing just a second ago. So hopefully that'll be in pretty soon, and then I'll be able to get that put in the car. And hopefully that should solve all my transmission issues. But who knows? I guess only time will tell. And I guess other than that, I guess I'll catch you guys next time.